How to fix Valorant Error Code VAL 29. For this first step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for your client and Valorant. Make sure you should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application is of not having means you need to click Allow another app. Click Browse. Go to C drive. Riot Games. Riot Client, you get the application. Like this you need to add both Riot Client and Valorant. After adding, make sure enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side and come to next step. Search for run and type the following text: services.msc. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Right click it, click properties, and make sure the startup type it should be in automatic or manual, it depends on you, but the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. One more time right click and restart it. Once complete, after close it and open up the Riot client. Click profile icon, click settings, this page will appear. Click Valorant, click repair and start repair. It's actually repairing your game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Wait for till it completed. After completed it will throw up the message successfully repaired. After move on with next step. Go to C drive. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click, click properties, click tools and scan the drive. Click OK and come to next step. Search for command prompt. Right click, click run as administrative and type the following text: ipconfig space slash flush DNS. The next command ipconfig space slash release. And the next command ipconfig space slash renew. And the next command netsh space winsock space reset. And the next command netsh space int space ip space reset. At last exit it. After completing, click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and reset your network. Thank you.